Hello, hello, hello. This is Robin from Roamingwithrover. And we're in the motorhome. We are doing a little video because we got Happy Mail. Happy Mail. We got our order from Jimmy Beans. This is our monthly subscription because, yes, I still have not canceled it because, you know, I really liked last month that beautiful, gorgeous yarn we got. So I thought, let's give them one more try. But look at how small this thing is. Look at how thin that is. It almost feels like it's an empty envelope. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Get this thing open. Ooh. There's something very soft inside. Let's see what we got. Nope, no extras. Okay. Let's see what this is. Wow. That's why it was so skinny. Because we got some donuts. Got a couple donuts, little skinny donuts. This is gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful snowy white. And this lovely, beautiful purple. Gotta say, they send us quite a lot of purple stuff. So they must know how much I like the purple stuff. All right, what do we got here? It's called Yarn Citizen Luxe, Trinity Cashmere, Heather. Okay, so that's the color. This is Heather, the purpley one, and the white one is called Jasmine. Oh man, this is soft. Oh my Lord. Let's see what the deets are. It is, the gauge says 12 to 18 stitches for 4 inches. Man, that's soft. They want us using an E to a J hook. That seems big for this skinny little yarn. 49% super baby alpaca, 39% mulberry silk, 12% cashmere. It's a 25-gram ball, 247 yards, made in Peru. The kind of smells like soap. Smells like soap, like you've just pulled it out of the laundry. Speaking of laundry, hand wash, cold, lay flat to dry. Okay. Gosh, this is, oh my Lord. That is so freaking soft. What are they going to have us make with this lusciousness? Okay, so we go to the website, we put in the thingies, we push the buttons. Accessory club, Jimmy Beans Club. The advantage to this club is you get a, I keep wanting to call it a recipe. That's what it reminds me of, the old powder puffs from the 50s. The Stratus scarf is the knit. The Nimbus scarf is the crochet. Meet May's accessory sensation. The Stratus scarf and the Nimbus scarf. These scarves features the luxurious Trinity cashmere from Yarn Citizen. Get ready to fall in love with its irresistible softness. It is very soft. These charming kerchiefs are the perfect transition piece, ideal for styling from spring to summer. Super pretty. One size. The knit is 9 wide by 70 long. The crochet is 8 wide by 55 long. And they want us to use a K hook. Oh, we're going to hold the yarn double. That'll be interesting. Okay. Let's see what this thing looks like. So this is the knit. Pretty simple style. Pretty simple style. And this is a close-up of it. Very simple. If it was a crochet, it would just be double in a chain, double in a chain. And here is the crochet, which actually is prettier. That's unusual. Come on. Can't really see it very well. Yeah, you can't see the design at all when she's wearing it. And up close, it looks like this. So it sounds like they're holding the purple and the white together at the same time. So you're doing a stacked single, a double crochet decrease, half double, double, you know, basic stitches, with one strand of each color. So you're using, yeah, you're using both at the same time. And we're making kind of a wave pattern. Interesting. I like it. I like it. When I first saw it, I thought maybe we were going to make a cowl. I think it will make a beautiful scarf though. Might have to make this one. It's very pretty. I do like that. Now, let's see what they sell this stuff for. That's always the kicker for me. So let's go to I always just go to their website, Yarn Citizen Luxe. YARNCITIZ. Yarn Citizen LUXE. See what happens. Yarn. Keyword. There it is. The exact one. Oh! Well, I'm surprised. Yarn Cashmere. Oh, that's Yarn Cashmere Pearl. Trinity Cashmere. Trinity Cashmere. Maybe that's just the color. Yeah, that's just the color. Heather. Okay, there's the Heather. There's the Jasmine. Because the Jasmine was the white. And the Heather was the beautiful purple. Here we go. Here we go. 25 grams. This is it. This is the stuff. This is one of the first times I've ever seen this happen, you guys. Because this has been my pet peeve. All right, these are $15 each, which means 30 bucks for the yarn on their site. That doesn't mean we could find it somewhere else cheaper, but on their site, $30 plus shipping. So for the first time, I think, since we started this club, the yarn value was more than the cost of the kit. Plus, it's amazing, beautiful yarn. And it comes in a lot of colors. A dozen colors anyway. Super, super nice. Oh. There's some, you know, they've got kits. They've got kits made out of this. Here's a kit for a beautiful little, it's a basic top. Ooh, that's pretty. $180. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Very, very nice. So, so pretty. Okay. I like it. I love this yarn. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The pattern's okay. I think I could find pretty much any scarf pattern. I'd find, you know, I might look around and see if I can find a different scarf pattern. I'm not in love with that pattern, but I don't hate it. I do think you would have to put two of these strands together. This stuff is thin. And I'm sure when they're saying to use that weight of a hook, they're talking about the halo. Because look at that. That's some thin yarn to be calling. And they don't even give a, I mean, they don't even say what weight it is. But to be saying to use, what did they say, a J hook? Yeah. To be using a J hook with that, yeah. They're counting the halo in that. Absolutely. So this is absolutely gorgeous yarn, absolutely gorgeous, and stunningly beautiful. Soft, soft, soft as a cloud. Absolutely love this. And like I said, this is the very first time that the yarn actually, value of the yarn was more than the cost of the kit. Have been extremely thrilled with this month's yarn and last month's yarn. So this was the kind of stuff that I was expecting from this kit club. Stuff that I would not see on a regular basis, stuff that I would not normally purchase on a regular basis. Things that I would like to try that I normally would just never get a hold of. So we will see. This convinces me. Let's do it one more time. Let's let the dice roll one more time and see how it goes. Definitely got my money's worth this month. Let me know what you guys think about it. That's so little. It's gonna be little to work out, but I think I will look for a different pattern because I'm not in love with that pattern. So I'm gonna be on the search for a pattern for this. Thank you so very much. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.